Just want to ask you one question. Do you want to be rich? I know your answer is yes. But for that, you become poor. Maybe I'm making a statement like this, which is ironical, but then it's a paradox. You know why I said that? We celebrated Janmashtami. Am I right? I had the opportunity of celebrating Janmashtami with the Gopikas or Govindas, as you would say, in one of the societies over here. You know what I realized? I realized what life means to you. It's absolutely true. We went there to distribute sweets as because being a president of Rotary Club of Hirandani Thane legend, we were there to distribute sweets and food to them. But they were making their pyramids. It was a stunning event. It was a stunning thing. And it was pouring in the downpour of a heavy rain. These children were not worried about what the environment was all about. In a puddle of water, it could be as mushy or squashy. They were all there, about 50 to 60 of them were gathered. Each one of them holding, they made a pyramid. And out of that, the smallest one, maybe he must have been about 10-year-old, was made to stand on top of the pyramid. And there, he breaks the pot. And the kind of jubilance or the kind of enthusiasm that spread around was something amazing. They were not looking for recognition. They were not looking for anything else. They fell 101 times before even they could get into that pyramid, basically. It taught me two things in life. Accept and adapt the environment and grow with it with resilience. But though we talk about so many things here, but then here, these are the children who have not seen anything in life, but still happy in their life to the fullest. And number two is the resilience. How many times they must have fallen on the ground, but yet they got up. They made the pyramids, and finally the pot was broken. I think that is what this Govinda is all about. Janmashtami taught me a different scenario in life, and that was my lifelong learning with him. Thank you for being with me. Happy Janmashtami. Thank you.